All right, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to create the storyboards, which will be the foundation of what you'll be making for your animated film. So to do that, what you do is you're just going to open up Blender, just do new, and you'll see there's a new storyboarding. This is the latest workspace. Just go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see it has the storyboard right here. Okay, so what you're going to notice is it has sort of what we usually have up here, where you have your objects, and you can see it's very similar to when we normally do 2D animation, right? It has all the elements. The difference is that we also have this sequencer window down here as well. And you'll notice that as I scrub through, it's actually toggling. I don't know. Well, you can see how this says stroke 01, see how it says stroke 02. So it's updating what's here, showing the clip that we are currently over. Okay, so that's the big difference. Okay, so um, I'm just going to go to the first frame here, and you could do it in here, and you'll notice it doesn't affect it there, but we'll go here just to show you, and I'm just going to draw a squiggle. Okay, yay, look at my squiggle. All right, now, just as you normally would do stuff, that will then be here. Okay, and then when you go to this one, you'll see this will be a new shot, right? And so then you can draw something in here. Draw a squiggle going this way. All right. So now you'll see, all right, if I hit play down here, if you go up here and hit play, it'll just play this clip. If I go down here, hover over here and hit play, it will play all the strips together. Now, you might be like, oh, that's not actually the length. Like this is right now 2 seconds. I need it to be 1 second, this first clip. All you have to do is go over that first clip, go to your end here and just change that to 24. So now that's 24. And if we go down here, you'll see it doesn't look like it really changed. You can see it scrub through, but it's still the same distance, right? So what you can do is you can just right, and if you try to grab it, you can see you can't even move it. So what you want to do is if you right click over top of it, you can go ahead and set where are you? Update scene from frame range. Badunk. And now you'll see it has that. Now, what you'll notice is it still has the rest of this. So I'm just going to take this, drag it over. And then this part's kind of annoying. We have to just basically take this and drag it till we get to our 24 frames. Okay. And now you will see that that now is going for that long. Then we just take this one over, and then I go over here, and let's say I want this one to be longer. So I'll just say, let's go to 64 frames. Okay. And then I would just right click over top of this one and go update scene from range. And then I can just drag this out, and then it will go out farther to how far it goes, as you can see. Okay. So we now have that. That looks good. Now, obviously, that's only 2 shots. Let's say you need more shots, which you will. It's pretty easy. So you can add more strips, but I don't really want to do it that way. Instead, what we're going to do is you're just going to select this and just hit Shift D. It will make a new one. And you'll notice that, let's move that to the side here, like that. What you'll notice is this one's called shot.002. This will be called shot.003. So just make sure you're always duplicating the last one, and that way they'll be actually numbered in sequentially as well, which will make it a little bit easier. Now, obviously, this will have the drawing from before, so you got to delete it. You might want to just duplicate a couple of like empty ones before you do your drawings, but that's how you would, basically have that done. When eventually we do, like, you want to go through and you want to start like animating this like a little bit farther along than what we currently have, all you have to do is you could just click on a little plus here, go to 2D animation, just choose 2D animation, and you'll see that right now we are currently in the first scene. So you can see it says shot 001, and I can choose any of these scenes. So now I'm shot 002, and shot 003. So we'll have all of our shots right in here, and we would just animate these just like we would the way that we have been doing, except that they are subsequently inside of the storyboard. And you'll see when we have the video editor, they'll all be in here as well. Because basically that sequencer is just an extra panel inside of this. So it'll all be built right inside. And so we can just build off of that storyboard and have a very kind of working story reel, which will make things much easier as far as our work is concerned. So we can basically build up our film, from all the way from the storyboarding animatic to the, rough animation to final animation, all within the same workspace, more or less, which is pretty nice.